Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to use some advanced features in Microsoft Word to improve the organization and readability of your documents. We'll be covering how to create a table of contents, insert footnotes and endnotes, and use the research feature to find and cite sources. These features can be especially helpful for students, researchers, and professionals who need to create long or complex documents. But they're also useful for anyone who wants to make their writing more clear, concise, and professional. So, if you're ready to learn some new word skills, let's get started. Create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. Here are the steps to do that. Heading styles. Make sure that you have applied heading styles to the headings in your document. Typically, you would use heading 1 for main sections, heading 2 for subsections, and so on. To apply a heading style, select the text and then choose the appropriate style from the Styles group on the Home tab. Insert the table of contents. Place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Go to the References tab in Word. In the Table of Contents group, click on the Table of Contents drop-down. Choose a style. You can choose from the predefined styles available in the drop-down. The most common choice is usually Automatic Table 1 or Automatic Table 2. Insert Table of Contents. Click on the style you want to use, and Word will insert the table of contents into your document. Update the table of contents. Whenever you make changes to your document, such as adding or modifying headings, you should update the table of contents to reflect those changes. To do this, click anywhere inside the table of contents. A small Update Table prompt should appear at the top of the table. Click it. You will be presented with the option to update just the page numbers or the entire table. Select your preference and click OK. Add text to the table of contents. If you want to add extra text, like a title or explanatory notes, above or below the table of contents, simply type or paste the text in the appropriate place. Customize the table of contents. You can further customize the appearance and formatting of the table of contents by modifying the styles in the Table of Contents group on the References tab. You can change fonts, colors, and more. Remember that the table of contents in Word is dynamic. It will update automatically as you make changes to your document or headings. This feature is very helpful for long documents or reports where the structure might evolve as you work on them. Insert footnotes. Place your cursor at the location in your document where you want to insert a footnote. Go to the References tab in Word. In the Footnotes group, click on Insert Footnote. A small number, usually 1, will appear as a superscript at the insertion point in the text, and a corresponding number will appear at the bottom of the page where you can type the footnote text. Type your footnote text in the area provided at the bottom of the page. Insert Endnotes. Place your cursor at the location in your document where you want to insert an endnote. Go to the References tab in Word. In the Footnotes group, click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner to open the Footnote and Endnote dialog box. In the dialog box, select Endnotes from the drop-down list. Choose the desired format, end of section or end of document. Click the Insert button. The EndNote reference number will appear in the text where you placed your cursor, and a corresponding number will be added at the end of the document where you can enter the EndNote text. Navigating between footnotes and endnotes. Once you have inserted footnotes and/or endnotes, you can navigate between them using the next footnote and previous footnote options. Here's how. Place your cursor within the text that contains the footnotes or endnotes. In the References tab, in the Footnotes group, you will see the next footnote and previous footnote buttons. Click Next Footnote to move to the next footnote in the document. Click Previous Footnote to move to the previous footnote. These steps will allow you to insert footnotes and endnotes in your document, as well as easily navigate between them while editing your text. How to use the research feature in Microsoft Word. If you're working on a research paper or document in Microsoft Word, you can easily search for and insert references using the research feature. This can help you find and cite sources more efficiently. Follow these steps. Step 1. Access the research feature. Open your Microsoft Word document. Ensure you have your document ready, as you'll be searching for and inserting references within it. Click on the References tab in the Word ribbon. This tab contains tools for managing citations and references. It's where you'll find the research feature. Step 2. Initiate a search. In the References tab, within the Research group, you'll find various research tools. Click on the Search button. This action will open the research pane on the right side of your document. Step 3. Select text to search. In your document, carefully select the text that you want to search for references for. This text should be relevant to your research topic or the information you want to cite. Step 4. Start the search. With the selected text in your document, go ahead and click the Search button within the Research pane. Word will automatically use the selected text as your search query. Step 5. Review search results. After clicking the Search button, you will see a list of search results in the Results pane of the Research pane. These results are directly related to the text you previously selected in your document. Take your time to review the search results that Word provides. These results can include web search results, dictionary definitions, or other reference materials that are pertinent to your query. Citation and Bibliography group in Microsoft Word's Reference tab. This group of tools is indeed a valuable resource for researchers, writers, and students who need to properly cite their sources and create bibliographies in their documents. As mentioned earlier, this group includes several key tools. Insert citation. This tool allows users to seamlessly insert citations into their documents, making it easier to attribute information to the sources they have consulted. It offers various citation styles such as APA, MLA, and Chicago, ensuring that citations are correctly formatted. Manage sources. Managing sources is an essential aspect of academic and research writing. This tool enables users to keep track of the sources they have used in their document. It provides the ability to add, edit, or delete sources and format them according to specific styles. Style. The ability to select a citation style is crucial, as different disciplines and publications often require specific formatting. Word Style tool allows users to choose the appropriate citation style for their document, ensuring consistency throughout. Bibliography. The Bibliography tool simplifies the process of creating a comprehensive list of all the sources used in a document. It generates a bibliography that is typically placed at the end of the document, alphabetically organized by the author's name. By utilizing the citation and bibliography group, writers can streamline the citation process, reduce the risk of errors, and ensure that their documents meet the required formatting standards. This group is an indispensable resource for maintaining accuracy and integrity in academic and professional writing. Insert citations and create a bibliography in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Open your document. Open the Microsoft Word document where you want to insert citations and create a bibliography. Step 2. Navigate to the References tab. Click on the References tab in the Word ribbon at the top of the window. This tab contains tools for managing citations and references. Step 3. Insert a citation. Place your cursor in the location within your document where you want to insert a citation. In the Citations and Bibliography group, click on Insert Citation. Select Add News Source to create a new citation or choose Insert Citation to insert a citation from your existing sources. Fill in the necessary information in the Source Manager dialog box, including the author, title, publication date, etc., and click OK. Word will insert the citation in the text in the specified citation style. Step 4. Manage your sources. In the Citations and Bibliography group, click on Manage Sources. The Source Manager dialog box will appear, allowing you to add, edit, or delete sources from your citation database. Step 5. Choose a citation style. Click on the Style drop-down in the Citations and Bibliography group to select the citation style you want to use, such as APA, MLA, Chicago, etc. Step 6. Create a bibliography. Place your cursor where you want to insert your bibliography, typically at the end of your document. In the Citations and Bibliography group, click on Bibliography. Choose Insert Bibliography to generate a bibliography based on the citations you've inserted in your document. Word will automatically format the bibliography according to the citation style you selected. Step 7. Update citations and the bibliography. If you make changes to your citations or sources, you can easily update them. Click within a citation in your document, then click the small arrow that appears to the right of the citation. Choose Edit Source to modify the source details or Edit Citation to add page numbers or make other changes. To update the bibliography, simply click within it and press F9 or right-click and choose Update field. By following these steps, you can insert citations, manage your sources, select a citation style, and generate a bibliography in Microsoft Word, which is especially helpful when working on research papers or documents that require proper citation formatting. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to use advanced features in Microsoft Word to improve the organization and readability of your documents. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer them. In the next part of this tutorial series, we'll be covering some advanced formatting techniques. So, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part of the series.